Unicast IP version 6 addresses. This topic explains how IPv6 uses unicast addressing to target a single device directly on a network. Think of it like sending a personal letter with one recipient's name and exact address. There are three main unicast types: global, unique local, and link local. Global unicast addresses are publicly routable, like an international postal address reachable from anywhere. Unique local addresses work within private networks, similar to a home address not listed publicly. Link local addresses function only on the local link, like talking to someone in the same room. Each type serves a distinct purpose, ensuring devices can communicate in the right scope. These unicast types are fundamental to routing, configuration, and neighbor discovery in IPv6 networks. Knowing when to use each one ensures efficiency, security, and proper device communication in both private and public environments.